this exercise. I'm serious. You believe me. You know what I'm talking about. I'm very passionate about this thing too. You know? Sometimes people ask me, wouldn't you like to come back to office? I say, no. But actually, maybe I'll say if you give it to me for 1 year, I'll just like to deal with the water sector.
Yeah, I think we can do that.
I'll grab the Navy. Just 1 year.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Isn't it too long?
No, it's even short.
It's even short?
Yes, sir.
So 2 years.
One term, 4
2
years.
4 years. Yeah. You know, when I left office, one night I went somewhere, the other side of the country, eastwards, and when we're coming, we got to the Freedom and Justice Arch, and the driver was turning around to take me home, because I'm no more head of state. I'd forgotten I was not head of state. So I asked him, where are you going? So he had difficulties trying to remind me, oh, sir, oh, I said, but it was a funny night. I never forgot again after that. One day, on a Sunday, not too long afterwards, I was driving out of some place. I gave some 2 people a lift on a Sunday morning, a lady and a certain gentleman. As they entered the car, he was talking about the fumes if we didn't have water. These ones had had their bath, but one of them had had so much akbateshi, you know. It was, my whole car was full of it. On a Sunday morning, going to church. Anyway, so I asked, what does he do? He said he's a carpenter. I've forgotten what the lady said. I said, well, as for me, I'm unemployed. I'm looking for a country to rule.